Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on I-55 in Copiah County, Mississippi, beginning 55 miles into the state. As we mentioned in the last video, there are discrepancies in the mile markers. The mile marker here actually shows 56, as does the next one. Because of the irregularly spaced mile markers and some missing ones, this video will cover from here to mile marker 81, which is 24.8 miles from where we started. Going forward in this series, we'll use the number from the mile marker as the title of the video and as a point of reference, but bear in mind that the mileage is incorrect. Mile marker 81 is only 80.2 miles into Mississippi. We enter the city of Hazlehurst, the county seat of Copiah County. Hazlehurst had an estimated population of 3,730 as of 2019. Hazlehurst was originally founded as the village of Gallatin by two lawyers who came from Gallatin, Tennessee. In 1829, the town was incorporated, but the incorporation was revoked in 1862. In 1865, when construction on the New Orleans, Jackson, and Great Northern Railroad began, Hazlehurst was developed as a railway stop, and by 1872, Hazlehurst was the county seat. A civil rights group, the Deacons for Defense and Justice, established a center in Hazlehurst in the 1960s, providing physical protection for protesters working with the NAACP to gain jobs for African Americans after passage of civil rights legislation in 1964. In 1969, an F4 tornado hit the south side of Hazlehurst, in which 11 people perished and 175 homes were damaged or destroyed. The Mississippi Music Museum is located here in the Hazlehurst train station. I-55 through this area is called the Robert L. Johnson Blues Memorial Highway. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Crystal Springs, which had a population of 4,715 as of 2019. Crystal Springs is home to the annual Tomato Festival held the last Saturday of June each year, as well as the Taste of the Blues event in the spring. The Robert Johnson Blues Museum is located in the downtown area. At the on-ramp, after exit 72, another concurrency with US Highway 51 begins. We enter Hinds County, the most populous county in Mississippi, with an estimated 231,840 residents as of 2019. We're now in a region that covers most of northwestern Mississippi, known as the Mississippi Delta, not to be confused with the Mississippi River Delta, which is 300 miles south at the mouth of the Mississippi River. The Mississippi Delta is an alluvial plain between the Mississippi River and the Yazoo River, formed by regular flooding of the two rivers over thousands of years. We enter the town of Terry, which had an estimated population of 1,227 as of 2019, an increase of 15.4% since the 2010 census. The area was settled in 1811 and originally called Dry Grove. Then Terry was established as a railroad depot in 1867. We conclude today's video at mile marker 81. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.